Hi vlogs, my name is Tiffany if you're new. So, I'm going to tell you how I made this pretty and soft slime. So first, you would need glue. You can put as much glue as you want. You can put the whole thing or whatever. And then you'll put some water. I'm sorry that I couldn't make it with you guys because I left my phone here and then I went to my cousin's house to have a sleepover and I made it there because I already know how. I have a collection back there, so yeah. So you need glue. Put how much glue if you want. 2 cups of 2 cups and a half of water. Then you will like to put food coloring. Then if you want glitter or something to add in it, then you'll put borax. Then keep spinning, keep mixing and mixing and mixing till it's like whoop, like soup. But not that much soup, but that was how mine was. I know my hands are all glittery. So, and then keep mixing and mixing. And then you can add shaving cream, because that's what I did. And it turned so good. I don't know how. And then I add shaving cream, mixed, and a little bit of water. And mix, and then I mixed for 100 times. And then this is what I got. My jiggly, stretchy, beautiful slime. That was on my face. Yeah. Want to see how much glitter this is, guys? Like, seriously. Look how much glitter. It's like glop. So, yeah.